Hi guys, my name is Giwa and today I'm going to teach you how to make a microphone at home with no budget at all. Yes, zero budget, $0. You don't need to spend any amount of money to make this microphone and you'll definitely get better audio for your videos. So if you want to know how to make a microphone at home to get better audio quality for your videos, you definitely want to stick around. So the only things that you need to have for you to be able to make this microphone is one, a smartphone, and two, a pair of earphones, like the ones I'm going to show you right now. You only need these two to get better audio for your videos. Instead of using just the internal microphone from your phone, you can use this pair of earphones. I have a smartphone like this one. This is an example of a smartphone. You can get yours, whichever kind or brand that you use. So I have mine. This is Android, and I have this pair of earphones that came with this phone. So the first thing that you need to know is that the earphone that you're going to use should be having this part over here. This is the part that is going to pick up your sound and transmit it all the way to your phone. So this is going to pick up the sound and it's going to serve as your microphone. The second thing that you need to do is to download Open Camera on your phone. So download Open Camera on your phone before you can do anything else. So you go to Google Play Store, you search for Open Camera, and you download it in your phone. Make sure it's installed and it's working. I'm going to show you how to do it right now.
Okay, so let's get started. So you go to Play Store and you search for Open Camera on Play Store. Open, you write there Open Camera. And when you search, you get this one. This is the one that actually comes. You download it. Mine is saying open because I already have it on my phone. So for you guys who don't have it already, you have to download it first from Play Store. You download the Open Camera and when you install it, and it will be in your phone. And in your phone, it will look like this one. So this is my Open Camera. Now I'll open my Open Camera. Then up here on the top right side, we have an icon for settings. You press that one, and there we will see all this variety of settings that we can adjust. But now, since we are focused on the audio, we'll go to the video settings because this is the one that we're actually doing right now. On the video settings, we have video resolutions, video format, and many other things there. But now we want to focus on the audio source. We're going to press the audio source, which says that microphone to use for recording audio. Note that the behavior of the options depend on how the option is implemented on your device. So you press the audio source, and then you will see all this. We have an option for cam recorder, we have an option for external mic, we have an option for default audio source, optimized for voice calls, optimized for voice recognition, and unprocessed. We are only interested in the external mic because we are going to be using our earphones or our headphones to record the audio, which will serve as our external mics. So you press the external mic, and on mine I had already pressed. So you can press this one, but you don't want to use that one. You can press this one, but you don't want that one. So we are going to press the external mic, which is what we are actually interested in.
So each time you plug in your earphones and you're using Open Camera, it will automatically start picking your sound using the microphone and not the internal microphone from your phone. Step number 3 that you need to do now is to actually test and see how it actually picks your sound. So the first test, we're going to record without using a microphone. Hi guys, my name is Giwa. Welcome to this channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY microphone at home. The second test, we're going to record using a microphone. And by microphone here, I mean the one that we're using, which is our earphones, which you have just transformed into being a microphone.
Hi guys, my name is Giwa. Welcome to this channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY microphone at home. So stay tuned.
That's it. That's it. Very simple, very easy, and you definitely know the difference. So I hope you actually try to make a microphone from this tutorial. Comment down below what your outcome was from making that microphone. I'd like to know how your videos sounded after making and using the microphone that I've just shown you. I hope this video was useful to you. I hope you learned. Kindly subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's see each other on the next one.